of us. Congratulations to you once again. That was PV Sindhu's father,
Thank you.
Mr. Ramanna, speaking exclusively to CNN News 18, telling us about what it took for PV Sindhu to overcome her disappointment after the loss yesterday and how she prepared herself this morning. We also spoke to the champion herself. Let's play that interview, a phone interview that we had moments after she made history in Tokyo.
बधाई और आज एक हिस्टोरिकल मैच हो गई है क्योंकि ये 2 बार मेडल जीतने वाली पहली भारतीय, इसलिए सभी भारतीयों की आपको शुभकामनाएं। प्लीज
थैंक यू सो मच। बहुत खुश लग रहा है एंड ऑफ कोर्स बहुत हैप्पी हूँ और ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे दूसरी बार मिला क्योंकि कल हारने के बाद बहुत इमोशंस कंट्रोल करना पड़ा। मतलब अगर हैप्पी रहना है कि और एक चांस मिला या सैड रहना है कि फाइनल्स में नहीं जा पाई, तो वो इमोशंस बहुत कंट्रोल करने के लिए इट वाज रियली हार्ड एंड ऑफ कोर्स कल का हो गया, अभी आज फ्रेश स्टार्ट है। ऐसे में सोच के सुबह से ऑब्वियसली वो प्रेशर रहता है कि अच्छा करना है कंट्री के लिए, ब्रॉन्ज मेडल मैच है, तो बस मैं आई वाज जस्ट काम एंड कंपोज्ड एंड जस्ट गिव माय बेस्ट क्योंकि हिबिंग जो भी बहुत अच्छा प्लेयर है और वो भी पहले पॉइंट से बहुत अच्छा खेल रही थी, बहुत अच्छा रैलीज भी था, बट ओवरऑल मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं कंट्री के लिए ब्रॉन्ज लेकर आई हूँ।
मोदी जी ने अब आपको प्रॉमिस किया था कि मेडल लेके आएंगे तो आपको आइसक्रीम खिलाएंगे।
Well, the previous one, yeah, as you all know, I was a bit very young then, and I had no expectations. I mean, people had no much of expectations. I was like a newcomer, and I think that one was comparatively different. And this one, if I compare, definitely there will be pressure and responsibilities भी बहुत थे, and a lot of expectations, I would say. But I think. This one also is comparatively very different because years have gone through and experience wise, game wise, बहुत कुछ हुआ था. I mean, I had ups and downs. I had done really well, improved my game style, but getting a medal here is definitely a wonderful moment for me, and of course I'm very thankful to all of them. It was very important for me to just be in the rally because I had to not make any mistakes because she was good. I mean, she was taking all my attacking strokes, and it was very important for me to be patient enough to play the next stroke and just be in the match. So yeah, I think first game maintaining that lead, and even though she was covering it, I think that each and every point was important. And yeah, second game, I think it was neck to neck, but I've taken the lead for like 2-3 points and I maintained that lead and finished it off. So abhi to celebrations, I'm going to enjoy this moment. Pata nahi kya karungi main, but definitely it is not like it's not sunk in yet, so I am just going to be in the moment and enjoy it as much as I can because I've been waiting for this moment and it has finally come true. And getting a medal, any medal, I think for the country, it is a proud moment, and I'm going to be in the moment and enjoy the moment as much as I can.
Have you spoken to your parents?
Not yet, yeah, but I spoke to my cousins over there, so yeah, they were very, very happy, and of course it's definitely I miss them because I actually want to go back and enjoy the moment with all of them, and also of course I miss my fans, so I'm very, very thankful to my parents again, my family members. And I'm sure in this pandemic there were there was lockdown, we couldn't train, but I was training at my home. My dad used to keep telling me. My dad used to make me do all those exercises, and of course my trainer used to give me schedules. So once this lockdown is gone, we've started training, and it was good because the government also has supported us, and Badminton Association, I'm very thankful to them because they've supported us in whichever way we wanted to, because whatever we asked for, they're always there. And of course sports authorities, I'm sure that everybody put in all their efforts, and finally I got this medal, and I dedicate it to all of them. It's definitely if you put a lot of effort, you want to get that medal for the country, and when you get that, definitely you are on the cloud 9. And yeah, of course I have no words to say because my parents, my family members have put in a lot of effort, and my sponsors and everybody have done, my support staff have put in a lot of effort, so I'm very, very thankful to them because we've been waiting for this moment, and I am there, and definitely it's a proud moment. After the match was over, I didn't know what was going on. Like I didn't know what to say, because as I said, I had like mixed emotions, because I missed an opportunity. Should I be happy or should I be sad? But yeah, into the match I came that yes, I need to get this. And finally when I got that, I didn't know what to do. I was just standing, and I think after like 5-6 seconds I actually shouted. So my coach is definitely happy, because I mean, he put in a lot of effort. I'm very, very thankful to Mr. Park, because you know, in this pandemic, he's been there with me whole time. You know, even he couldn't go home because of, you know, these lockdowns and stuff. So I'm sure he would be missing his family, and but still, you know, every single day he's like, yes, we can do it, and we've been focusing for this Olympics. So finally, you know, we have together proved this, that yes, we have done well, and definitely credit also goes to Mr. Park, because definitely he worked hard as well. So I woke up in the morning. I mean, yesterday I was really sad and upset, but you know, my coach was always telling me it's okay. We have another chance. We have another chance. There is a lot of difference between a bronze and the 4th place. We can do it. So these were the words he was saying, and my parents also were a bit sad, but still they kept motivating me, hiding their emotions behind. And in the morning, I woke up, and generally I did some stretching exercises and went for breakfast and came back. And you know, constantly, you know, I was just thinking about the match, like what is it, like what's going to happen, because you get a lot of things inside you, like yeah, if you win, if you lose, if you win, if you lose. So you just have to let go everything and just be calm. But I think that didn't happen for me today. Like I was waiting for the match to happen, because it was actually in the night, like at 8:30, and you have to wait the whole day. So yeah, finally, you know, when we left to the stadium, I think, you know, that moment, even then I was like, okay, you know, when will it happen, when will the time come, when will the time come? But you know, because that pressure will always be there, and yeah, I think finally it happened, and I got that bronze. I'm actually in the moment. I don't know like what's happening. Even after the match, I'm like, okay, I took a couple of seconds to actually shout and just like be in the moment. So since you're saying it, yes, I will take it as a compliment, and definitely. I think it was a lot of emotions, because you know, as I mentioned earlier, I had to be sad because I lost the opportunity, or I had to be happy because I got an opportunity, another opportunity to prove myself. A lot of mixed emotions. So after that point, I did not think that, even though I was leading 20-15, I did not think that it's over, because you never know, anything is going to happen any moment. So even after that point, I just looked up. I was just blank. I mean, I didn't think anything. I was like, I just had tears. And then after a few seconds, I actually shouted and went and hugged my coach, because even his efforts were a lot. Mr. Park has really worked hard, and you know, he wanted to see me on the podium. My parents wanted to see me on the podium. So yeah, I've finally, you know, I've done that, and I am super happy.